In this video, I am going to show you the top 5 websites that will pay you up to $70 an hour just to either test apps that they have developed or to just make a review of their product. If that is what you are interested in, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Watch till the end of this video because I promise you that this is the video that you are definitely looking for, especially if you want to work from home or have a side hustle. The first website is called enrollapp.com, and on this platform they are going to pay you up to $80 to test the apps that they have developed, right? These companies will pay you to just go through them and give them a review of your own experience having gone through the apps. All right, so you open the website and here it says be the first. See what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get the sneak peek behind this screen. So what this explains is that before they push out their apps to the public, you'll be the first to just go through the app and leave them your own review of your own experience on their app. All right, take the test anywhere, earn rewards that will be easily changed to dollars, and the more apps you review, the higher the pay is. All right, so if that is what you are interested in, go ahead and click on register. The second website is called medium.com, and on this website you will get paid up to $70 just to either read an article or post an article. So whichever one you want to do, either you want to read what other people are writing or you also want to post what you have written, they will pay you up to $70 an hour. Here it says human stories and ideas. This is for people who enjoy either reading or writing. Click on get started to enjoy the benefit of being on this platform. All right, so the third website is called producttube.com, and on this website they will pay you up to $85 an hour just to make a video and review their products. Yes, these people will pay you to go through their product and then leave not just a written review but to make a short video explaining your experience on the website. Heading into their website, they said, what is ProductTube? It's a premium video survey app that rewards its users for making short videos about everyday products. Users record short videos, typically less than 5 minutes, using their mobile phones. All right, these videos are used for market research to guide product manufacturers to meet their consumer needs better. All right, so all you have to do is, after you have gone through the products that they have on their website, you just hold up your phone and make less than 5 minute video explaining your own experience on the app and how and the general feel of the app. You should go ahead and download the app and then register and begin to make reviews and earn as much as you want to have. The next website is called PalFish.com, and this is an English teaching website where you will teach children from 3 years to 16 years how to speak English. So that's in English that you speak every day. You can now earn up to $50 an hour to teach that English to other people. So if you are interested, go ahead and register on their platform. All right, and here they said PalFish curriculum is professionally designed for 3 to 12-year-old English learners based on the Pearson programs, and the recommended age is from 3 years down to 16 years. So if you want to make money teaching children how they can speak good English, this website is definitely for you. If you want to check out other websites that they can pay you up to $250 weekly to teach people how to speak English, go ahead and click on this link. I have an exclusive video that shows you 5 websites that you can register on to teach children all around the world how to speak English. And finally, the last website that you can earn up to $85 an hour is called the acx.com. And on this website they pay you up to $65 just to read stories to children. They pay you up to $65 an hour to read books. If you have heard of Audible has already read out books, each pages of the book, so all you have to do is just click on play and just listen, right? Isn't that amazing? So in order for you to be paid, right, you'll be the one reading the books on this ACX platform, and they will pay you per hour depending on the number of books that you are able to cover. So let's go to how it works. A step-by-step guide for every type of creator. All right, and step 1 is to get started with your title. Step 2 is work with your narrator. Step 3, get your story out there. All right, so if that's what you are interested in, go ahead and register. So if this video was really interesting to you and you'll be trying out all these websites, let me know in the comments which ones that you will be trying. Personally, the one that I am gonna be trying is producttube.com. So let me know in the comments which one that you will be using. If this video was really interesting to you, please leave a thumbs up in this video, and if you really enjoyed it, I would like for you to subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to wonderful videos and educative videos just like this. So if you want a website where they can pay you to teach anything you know how to do, whether it's dancing, whether it's cooking, anything, I want you to click on this video to find out this particular website that can pay you up to $300 to teach people what you know. All right, I will see you in this video. Bye.